The difference between user journey and wireframe is user journey is just as I showed you in the whimsical. This is the user journey, and wireframe is these type of like screens, like when you sign in this, then you go here, then you go here, then you go here. So in whimsical it is not easy to auto generate this. You need to manually make it. But in magic pattern, if you give some basic prompts like I have given here, that I want to have an HR chatbot with mobile screens, so it has given the user journey: sign in, home, select, chat. So, and it has also created, you know, this prototype that you can share, that is here, very basic. You just do a sign in, it will give you the different pages. This is the main page. Then you select HR assistant, like suppose from home, then there is an option of selecting HR assistant. You select HR assistant, and then you click chat, and then you basically chat like this: send, I need information of this sleeve, then you will get this particular thing. So this is the user journey. If you are a little bit more this, and this is very good that you want to do, you can just do here, you can export to Figma, you can download the zip, or you can just give the screenshot that is there. Responsive, this is responsive way, and Figma is something, it is going to export to Figma. It's like a layer. Copy and paste this layer ID and open a preview in new video. So let us just, this is Figma, got it. So this is something like Figma. There is an AI option of Figma as well. So you want to, now if I want to create something, design, there are the different options. So I click here, design, and you can export, you can import things that are there. So you go here, view. So once you open the magic pattern, this thing, you get the from your magic pattern this basic user flow. I just copy this, I go here, and I just do import. So I took it from magic pattern, a basic workflow, and now I have imported this in Figma. So now if you can see, this has been, the whole diagrams have been imported to Figma, and you can now play around with this. So horizontal layer, this is the container, you can go as deep as possible. Figma is little bit, I will not recommend you guys to do this Figma if you are not for now, but in the future you can do it. Thank you very much, and play around with this as well.